We got a little bit more information about the computer, the gaming PC that's going to be inside the new Tesla Model S and X. AMD has given some details and confirmed that they will be putting a 10 teraflop gaming rig in there. Well, actually, Elon confirmed that. They're just giving the details here. During their Computex 2021 keynote, they revealed that the Tesla infotainment system consists of an AMD Ryzen processor with its own integrated graphics paired with a discrete AMD RDNA 2 GPU. And here's the quote. So we actually have an AMD Ryzen APU powering the infotainment system in both cars, as well as a discrete RDNA 2-based GPU that kicks in when running AAA games, providing 10 teraflops of compute power. We look forward to giving gamers a great platform for AAA gaming. AAA gaming in the car. Wow. That's pretty cool. No, I don't know.
Yeah. Like, I guess it's for PC games?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
AAA titles, you're in the car. Now, you're going to need to be parked, Will, obviously. The display, this huge display is right in the dash.
Yeah.
Of course, in the new Model S, they've flipped it into landscape, which is very helpful if you want to play that new Witcher title. I mean, you don't want to play that in portrait, obviously. Yes. It would be cool maybe if it pivoted so the passenger could play while you were driving on a road trip.
Yeah.
That would be cool. But I guess the mechanism wouldn't be as strong, or how could they guarantee you weren't trying to play while you were in traffic on autopilot, creating some next story about, hey, that guy's playing AAA titles in there on the highway.
He's playing Need for Speed.
Hey.
He's driving in the car. It would be cool to have like driving games use the yoke.
You talking yoke talk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be kind of cool. Just saying.
If they could integrate the steering into the simulator. Yeah. I know that there was a game previously. It was more like a Mario Kart cartoony style game, which did use the steering wheel as the input. But you're right. In a proper sim, one of the things that sucks though from a gaming perspective is that the monitor is offset.
Yeah, it's lopsided.
So your neck is a little bit cranked. But I guess if you pull the seat back far enough, you can probably find a comfy spot. I can't wait to try this out. AAA titles in the Tesla. Yeah.